Hi everybody, my name is Marco Flores. I'm studying mechanical engineer at City University, and in this workshop we are going to perform a linear static and display structural deformation and element stress. Use several display attributes. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do is open the database. Let's open the database, which is Anchor, and which is Anchor. Okay. We're going to check log cases, click on smooth shade, modify, select the file, and see that everybody it looks good. Then click cancel. Okay. Then set up the analyze and click translation parameters, select DB and print for database output. Click OK. And solution type, linear static for solution type. Set up for the analyze. Then click subcases. Available subcases. Click on the file. Click apply. Then cancel. Click subcases select to see the file is selected. Under the subcase selected. Click OK. Click apply to run MCS Nastran. We did MC Nastran and okay, we're checking. I'm sorry for the virus. Okay. Okay, my license doesn't allow me to run this analyze, so I'm going to explain you how it's work with the guide. Okay. The results, we create the information, select SC1 default for select result cases, select displacement translation for select information, and click apply. Okay. The other thing is click display attributes, select wireframe, deselect show information, click plug erase, and click erase for geometry. Click OK, click apply. Okay, the displays will the information shape without the both model geometry and element model. Okay, in the result, select CS1 default, static subcases, select stress tensor, and ball misses, attributes icon, and element edge. Click apply, and in the view corner, I'll rotate it to see how it looks. Next, click on ISO 3, result, create, select block option, none, and select shape FN, and select target entires, and current view, click apply. The results are different, but do not be because different, so you should like that. The other thing is in the result, create finger, select blocked option, select all entires, select drive adventure, and select adventure. Click apply, and that's it. Subscribe and give me a clip if you like. Thank you.